In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Airalo eSIM not connecting to internet. So let's just say you've already subscribed to your eSIMs and it doesn't get any internet connection. All you need to do is to turn off the internet connection first and turn it on. But still, if the problem occurs, go to your settings, SIMs, or just follow this step-by-step solution. First is check data roaming. Go to settings, then networking internet, mobile networks, and toggle data roaming on and or off as I've said on the first part. You can check your eSIM installation instructions in the data of Airalo app to see if you need enable data roaming. Complete access data steps. If you're using Google Pixel, make sure you've completed the access data steps for your eSIMs. Third is to check for software updates. Keeping your device software up to date can help with connectivity issues. Check activation details. And the last one is enable and disable flight mode. Now, all you need to do if this still occurs, uninstall the application, install it again, or you can just simply clear the cache and activate again your eSIMs. By that, one of the steps may probably be able to fix the internet connection loss. And that's how to fix Airalo eSIM not connecting to internet.